This nice card. Merci. So let me hold it high. I'm so excited. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is a little bit different. Today we're gonna get into my new everyday bag. Yes, as you saw, I did an unboxing. So I got the Jacquemus Bambinou, I don't know if I'm saying it right, bag. I got it in white, and then I already have stuff in another one. I got it in black. So I was looking for an everyday bag. And I was gonna get the YSL monogram medium bag, but I feel like everyone has that bag. So I decided, you know what? Let me get this bag because I saw it came out and it's a larger size, and I'm a large bag girl. Remember back in the day when Olsen twins used to have like oversized, carrying the whole entire house? Like, I'm that kind of girl. Like, I need space, I need something. And this bag is like a good entry-level bag to designer bags. The YSL one that I was gonna get was $2,000 and change, like $2,800 or something like that. And I was like, you know what, this is $980 for one. So I was like, let me just get both of them in white and black so I can mix and match it like with my outfits. So yeah. So yeah, that's what I really wanted to do. I wanted two different colors so I can mix and match. The white is going to be more for when I'm trying to, you know, dress it up, but the black is going to be more my everyday kind of bag. So let me tell you what you need to know when you get it. Okay, so I ordered straight from the Jacquemus website, and it was $9.80 for each bag. And I've heard that you had to pay like a customs fee, but I wasn't aware. I thought I already paid it on the website. So just keep that in mind when you are purchasing from the website. I tried to see if it was on Farfetch, but I didn't see it on Farfetch at the time. Now I believe this size and style is on Farfetch, but before I didn't see it. So I ordered straight from the website. So when it came pretty fast. I ordered it last week, and it came within 4 days, which is, I live in New York, so that's pretty quick from Paris, from France. So yeah. Also, the customs fee that I paid through what I paid from UPS, I paid the customs fee. It was $188 altogether, customs fee. You could pay check with the driver, or you could pay online. I just gave him a check, but keep that in mind. So it's going to be $9.80, and then you got to pay additional fee for customs. So you just want to keep that in mind. But this bag is really nice. It has the handle. Let me get the black one. It has the handle, and then it has a thicker strap. The strap is a little thicker than I thought. I thought it would be slimmer. I thought the strap would be slimmer like the Bambinou long, but this is a thicker strap. I feel like it's more sleek if it was a thinner strap, so I'm gonna see if I could get a thinner strap. It came also with a duster bag. It comes with a nice little cute card. And it also comes with your shipping information if you need to return or exchange. But this bag, pretty nice. So it could fit a decent amount, but already I'm overfilling it because I'm a big bag girl, to be honest with you. I'm just a big bag girl. So inside, my little brush, my big Guess wallet, my iPhone Pro, powder, AirPods, another powder and lotion. It is pretty much full already, and I'm a big bag girl, so I don't know. But it also do come with a little pocket in the back here. Also comes with a little pocket inside as well. So yeah. But all in all, I love this bag. It's very structured. It's very nice. It's very sleek. And it's cute for every day. I just want something simple. I don't want nothing too extra, too loud. Something simple that I could carry every day. And the white is so cute. I love the white. Look at the white. I know I might mess this up with my makeup, so I'm just gonna wear this on certain occasions. But the black is gonna be my everyday bag. I love that you could hold it like this, or you could use the straps on the side. But yeah, this is my quick, brief unboxing of the Jacquemus bag. It's still structured. It's not flexible. It's a very structured bag. Very clean, very sleek. If you like this, you could watch my other videos. Just click here and just watch another video of mine. Thanks for watching.